Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to use OTG in Redmi Note and smartphone. So we can use pen drive or memory cards with the OTG adapter. So the same method can be used for Redmi Note and Pro and Redmi Note and Pro Max also. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need a OTG adapter. So this one is available in online or offline. So I will provide the link in description. You can purchase from there. Also, I have SanDisk pen drive. So now we need to insert the SanDisk pen drive into OTG adapter. So inserted that. Now we need to insert OTG adapter to phone. So waiting for the pop-up. The SanDisk USB is connected. You can find that. Then click that. You can see the files. If you want to copy the files from pen drive, you can choose that. Then click more and click copy. Then you can paste it to your internal storage. You can paste it. You can paste it here. So the file is copied here. You can also copy the files from. Also, you can copy files from phone to memory card also. So I will choose one file. Then click copy. Then click USB storage. Then paste. Now the phone file is copied to pen drive. After you finish, you need to click eject here. Then only you should remove the pen drive. Otherwise, sometimes the pen drive will be corrupted. So you need to click eject every time. So I will click eject. So wait for a few seconds. Now we can remove the OTG adapter. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.